Hello everyone, welcome back to Anuman's Journey. This is Vansika Datta.
And I'm Anamika Pandey. So today we are back with an interesting video, Savitri by Phule Hall of Residence tour.
Of course, it is a new hall of IIT Kharagpur, so it is having so many more facilities. So, without a further ado, let's get started.
These two halls are very near to Nalanda building, so you can't miss your classes. This is the Atal Bihari Bajpayee Hall, it's for the male students, and that side is the Savitri Bai Phule Hall for the master's female students. So that's the main gate of the Savitri Bai Phule Hall. That side you can clearly see that's the cycle parking area, and also one store is there. If you have any problem in your cycle, you don't need to go to Tech Market because it's far away from here. This is the one block. That's the Atal Bihari Bajpayee Hall. It's a boys hall, and this is the hall 1, and that side is hall 2. So basically this is the Savitri Bai Phule Hall of Residence. It's a new building, so the construction is completely different, and of course the building looks awesome. So we are going to check it out, how the rooms looks like from here and what are other facilities and amenities they provide. This is the main entrance of block 2, and just beside that there are security and a room where you have to sign in if you are not from this hostel. So after that we asked one of the lady that where is the lift and from where we have to go, because it is quite big. This is the ground floor and there are 2 lifts. So we are going inside and we'll bring that friend so that she can show us better way the entire hostel. And there are waiting area and everything that we'll cover later. So let's go. There's an open balcony for everyone, and from here just look at the view. It's beautiful. This is the washroom side and it's really clean and nice. Corridors are quite huge, but there are enough space everywhere just to look at the good views or if you want to dry up your clothes. So this kind of net door is there and we are going inside. Let me show you how it looks like.
This is for MTechs. Let's go inside. So, you can see here, this is a single seater room. You get here one big cupboard and above the closed cupboard, and this one bed, one table chair. The bed is having some area in the below side as well, and you can see there is the thermostat, and the best thing here is the central AC you get, and the view is the next building. But actually this is very nice. There you can see there is a one general store down there and cafeteria area and everything. So you can see overall this hall is so beautiful, as beautiful from inside as it is from outside.
This is very huge. All the floors are having approx 60 rooms, 60 plus rooms, and they all are just nearby. This is the corridor and there are 2 washrooms so that it will be easy for everyone, and there are 2 lifts as well, and this is the staircase in case you want to. And this is the 5-floor building. Washing machine and water coolers are available in each floor from both sides, because each floor contains more than 60 rooms, so it's easier for the students. Hall maps are available almost everywhere, so you can follow that. Wow. So this is the cafeteria view. There are 2 stores this side, one the another side. And it's quite open and huge, so you can sit anywhere you want. So that's the gym room. That's not yet opened, I guess, under construction. And that's the above floor is the indoor games and all, but you have to take the keys for that. So right now we are just showing it outside.
Here there is a night canteen as well. You can see here, it is in both the blocks. And that side you can see, you don't need to go to Tech Market from here. You get each and every small things here itself. For example, there are two general store and even coconut water you can get here. So that's not a negative thing that Tech Market is too far away from here, because there are stores inside the hostel as well. So there we go. The passage will be joining hall 1 as well as hall 2. So this is the mess area you can see here. This is the wash basin area.
As soon as we enter inside, there are water coolers and sitting area. It's the snacks time, so right now it's not crowded. And this side, this is the food serving table, and it's quite empty right now because in the snacks time I think they are using just one of them, and in the lunch and dinner time they use all. So usually veg and non-veg food are separately served in different tables. That's why there are 2-3 tables. Let's sign out and share our experience. So this was the complete tour of the Savitribai Phule Hall of Residence, and you saw that how beautiful it is from outside as well as from inside.
And Atal Bihari Vajpayee Hall is for boys hostel, and it is a similar kind of structure as this Savitribai Phule Hall.
And also, if you want to check it out, I think one of the shots we have uploaded already for the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Hall of Residence.
And soon we are going to upload another video where we have compared all other hostels versus these two hostels.
Obviously, this hostel is new, so there are several other facilities which other hostel doesn't provide. So we are going to talk about that later.
And we are going to show our perspective as a student from other hostel, that how do we feel and what are the differences between these two hostels.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please, if you are having any kind of suggestions or different kind of videos you want or something, you can comment it down in the comment section below.
And also, please don't forget to share this video to everyone who are curious to know about IIT KGP insights. So,
see you in the other video.
thanks
Bye
for
bye.
watching.